Hi, Jessica. We have been working for about 2 months for your birthday surprise. As most of you know, Jessica came out with her first pattern about 7 years ago, and that was the Not Your Average shirt and dress. It's been one of our most popular patterns, but it doesn't reflect our current standards. So, Jessica, we updated the knot pattern. So we have our current sizing, which is extra, extra small through 5XL. It includes an FBA piece, full bust adjustment, as well as cups. We kept the maternity instructions and the nursing underlayer, but we also added instructions so that you can use the underlayer as a modesty panel as well to cover a little bit more in front if you wanted to. We added two more hemlines, so now we have the top, tunic, short dress, and long dress. We added a sleeveless cut line. Um, there are also now multiple finishes for the sleeveless as well as the neckline in the underlayer. So we made a video for you to show you all of our hard work. Happy birthday, Jessica.